Hello everyone, today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 112, path sum. Let's read out the problem. Given the root of a binary tree and the integer target sum, return true if the tree has a root to leave path such that the adding up all the values along the path values equals target sum. Okay. A leaf is a node with no children. Okay. Let's read out the example. If it is this tree, then 5 plus 4 plus 11 plus 2 is equals to 22, which is our target sum. Okay, let's discuss our approach, what we will be doing. What we will be doing is we will simply adding the root value to the left value and to the right value and check if it is a leaf node. Then we will simply check the target value is equal to the leaf value or not. Let's first see this. For example, this is root. So first we will do BFS and we will store this 5 in queue. When we will check for left, we will simply add 5 to this and it will become 9. Also we will add 5 to the right also, it will also become 13, and we will simply push in q. Now the current root will become this whole 9, this will become, so we'll simply add here 9 and we'll push in q. Next root will be our 8 plus 5, that is 13, so we'll add 13 to these two. 13 to these two. Okay, now our next root will become this whole, which is 20, so we'll add 20 here. Okay, here also. Sorry, 20, and since it is leaf node, we will check whether it is equals to 22 or not. Since it is not, then we'll leave it. And now we will check, we will add 14 plus 3, 17 to this. Now we will check for this. Since it is leaf node, we will check whether it is equals to the target or not. Since it is not, so we will not do anything, and we will simply check for the next root, which is this, and is it is equals to target, we will simply return true. Okay, now let's code it. First I will need a queue in order to iterate. Auto g equals to q dot front. Okay, q dot pop. Now we will check if whether if g left equal sorry left equal null and g right equal null. Also, it should be equal to the target g value. G value equal target. Then what we'll do, we'll simply return true. If it is not, then we'll simply do if g left. Okay, then we will update g left value. G left value plus equals to g value. Okay, and we'll simply push g left. Now we'll similarly check for right also. G right g right value plus equals to g value. Okay, and we'll simply push right, and if we will not get anything, then we have to simply return false. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, target sum. My mistake. Okay, if it is null, then we are getting issue. Okay, if root equal null, then I'll simply return false. Now let's submit it. Okay, it got accepted. Hmm. Now let's discuss the time complexity. The time complexity for this is O of V plus E, and space complexity is O of V. Sorry, O of V. Okay, that's all everyone. Thank you. Do like and subscribe.